Alright guys, the merch is here. The merch is here. Check it out.
Ryan Little.
What's going on, guys? You guys see it? You guys see the hoodie? On my way to work, but just wanted to make a video letting you guys know that the merch is finally here, guys. So right now I have 3 sizes available. More sizes are on the way. I just have to figure out a couple more things. I didn't do like a lot of the big size or whatever because I just wanted to do like a quick run to see how it would do. And yeah, I messed up on it because a lot of people keep asking me for XLs, double XLs, triple XLs, like all the big sizes. A lot of people are asking me. The hoodie is just a prototype hoodie. I just did it just to see how it is. Hoodie is literally amazing, fits perfect, comfortable, warm. So I did 2, one for me, one for my wife, just so we could try it out, see the material and everything. So that's something I'm also gonna do on the next drop. Also, probably not gonna do a lot of them because they're really expensive to make, but definitely if you want to purchase a hoodie, you'll have to get one size. Whoa. If you guys want to purchase a hoodie, you guys gotta get like one size bigger because they run small. Because it's not like it's like a Nike material. It doesn't like stretch, so it's like really good material. It doesn't stretch at all. So you have to get one size bigger. This is a large and this fits me perfect, and I'm a medium, so that just goes to show you have to get it one size bigger. But that's coming next. And for those of you who are been asking me, here are the shirts. Just like that, the Built to Enjoy. Have size medium, I have size small, medium, and large right now. I have also some dad hats. I'll have pictures of that hopefully today because they shipped it out today. So I should have some pictures of that. And I also have stickers that should be getting here today. Stickers should be getting here today also. So it's just a mixture of like a whole bunch of things. I told you guys 2020 I was gonna try to drop a whole bunch of stuff, do a whole bunch of things. So yeah, and I ended up doing a post on Instagram first. I did a live video on YouTube just so that you guys know. Like I literally put the title as merchandise here. I'm pretty sure everybody didn't watch it, so I just want to make this video so you guys can see that the merch is actually here. I know I said I was gonna put it on YouTube also, but it literally just happened. Like it happened so fast. I got the stuff and I was just posting that I have it. And then everybody just started hitting me up like, hey, I want one. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just put them up for sale now. So I did it on Instagram first. I already have a couple sales, which is great. Thank you guys who have purchased already. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, this is why you have to follow me on Instagram, because I put everything on Instagram first. My Instagram is the same thing as my YouTube, Steven Ocasio, same exact thing. So if you guys are looking to purchase, not a hoodie, not yet, because this is the next thing to come, but a shirts. I got small, medium, large. I have hats also, like I said, and I have Built to Enjoy stickers. Everything is all the same exact logo. I'm going to have more stuff up on my Instagram so you guys can see, and you guys can let me know as well. So, right now I'm working, and I'll talk a little bit more when I get some time because I'm actually trying to rush right now. If you guys want to get merch now, let me fix my hair. Another thing, on my last video, people were like, oh, you got dreads? I told you guys that I locked my hair. I told you guys that, like, or whatever. Anyways, if you guys want to get stuff now, better hurry up because they are going fast. So, but I'm almost done with work. Always happens. I'm almost done with work. Yeah, probably gotta take a picture for the thumbnail, and yeah, I don't know what else I'm gonna do, but probably talk to you guys a little bit more about this because I'm just trying to like work and, you know, vlog at the same time, and it's not working out right now. I just finished work, headed home now. I gotta pick up my daughter and my wife and go all the way to Long Island to swimming. So, like I was saying, I forgot exactly what I said because I've been working. So, but yeah, the hats should be shipped. They should have been shipped already today, so they should be here tomorrow. I mean, they should be here next week. My stickers already got shipped, so when I get home, I'll show you guys the stickers real quick. So I'm also doing a little bundle, shirt, hat, sticker for $55, and shirt and a hat for $50. So you guys need to go on my Instagram and literally go look at my posts. I've been telling you guys I was gonna do this merch for a long time. A lot of people have been waiting for this, so go support your boy. This is my first drop, first of many actually. I have a whole bunch of stuff that I want to do. I have big plans, so I definitely want to make more stuff. Like I said, a lot of you have been asking for it, so I finally dropped it. I know a lot of you on YouTube don't follow me on Instagram, so that's why I'm gonna just drop this quick video. I don't know if I'm gonna put the other clips of when I got the CRV aligned. I'm not too sure, but when I get home, I'll show you guys the stickers real quick, and I'm probably most likely gonna end up closing out the vlog. But like I said, guys, get your merch now because it's literally going by fast. Everybody's hitting me up, and yes, big sizes are coming. I just have to try to figure it out because where I'm getting it from is far away. So I have to try to figure out how I can get it and how much it costs to ship it out over here and everything, because it's really expensive to make all this stuff. So yeah, I gotta figure all of that out, and then probably make probably get like pre-orders and stuff like that. I start taking like pre-orders and everything, so I could drive you guys down and know who's gonna get stuff, like stuff sent out or whatever. So see you guys when I get home, and I'll show you guys the stickers. Oh, and stickers are $7. So for $7, you can get a Built to Enjoy sticker. About like that big. It's a pretty big size. I didn't want to get it I didn't want to get it real huge or whatever, but it's a pretty good size sticker where you can see it. And it's nothing too crazy. So I'll see you guys at home, and I'll show you guys the sticker. Here it goes, guys. Stick them up. Sent out this package. See what's up. Yeah, buddy. Literally a perfect size. See that? Size is perfect. This is my hand. You guys can see right now. Here we go. It's a perfect size. So, if you guys want to cop some stickers, $7, a reasonable price. Got a whole stack. So, let me know, guys. So I'm gonna close out this video right here, guys. So please, guys, support your boy. My first merch drop. You guys have been asking me about this for years. Finally did it. So all I ask you guys, hit that like button for this video, subscribe, and support your boy. Peace out, guys. DM me at Steven Ocasio on Instagram. Hit me up. Let's make it happen, guys. Hoodies will be coming soon. I have to figure a lot of stuff out, like big size and everything, like I said before, hoodies, because it's coming from like really far away. Once I get that figured out, promise you guys gonna order everything all over again ASAP. But again, thank you guys again for supporting me. Support your boy again. Remember, guys, Build to Enjoy. Peace out. Alright, guys, sorry, real quick. So I just placed an order for XL. Still, girls having too much fun. XL, 1XL, 2XL, 3XL, and 4XL. So hit me in my DM again, Steven Ocasio, if you guys want to purchase, because they're gonna go by fast. Because everybody's asking me for extra large, double XL, all of that. So hurry up, hit me up. Let's get these orders.